What if living to 90 or even 100 isn't the real goal? The real goal is staying healthy, active, and independent for as long as possible. That's what healthy longevity is all about.
Aging is a natural process, but how we age is influenced by our daily habits. Research shows that regular physical activity, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, quality sleep, and stress management can significantly improve both lifespan and health span, the years we live in good health. Keeping your brain active is just as important. Reading, learning new skills, solving puzzles, and maintaining strong social relationships help preserve memory and cognitive function as we age.
Regular health checkups can detect conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol early, allowing treatment before complications develop. Avoiding smoking, limiting alcohol, maintaining a healthy weight, and staying up to date with recommended vaccinations also contribute to healthy aging. But point to remember is that it's never too late to start. Even small lifestyle changes made today can improve your health and quality of life in the years ahead.
Healthy longevity isn't about adding years to your life. It's about adding life to your years. Start with one healthy habit today, and your future self will thank you.
Greetings. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep learning.